Yeah, bro, it has been like not that long. We took that one trade on Monday, which was a W. But this week, we haven't been trading at all much. Like only one trade we took this week, which was a winner. But let me explain you why. Because this week was super, super rare news-wise. I'm going to just start off with this one. We had a massive amount of news. Monday, we took a trade. We didn't have news. Tuesday, what was Fetcher Powell speaks. Fetcher Powell testifies. Now, I know you can trade that. You can trade after this or slightly before it. But I don't see a immediate reason to take a trade. Like I don't see a massive reason to take a trade because I want to increase the odds because I've seen what happens on those kind of days. But obviously, yeah, if there's like a super good trade on these kind of days, you can take it. Except on CPIs. CPI is the day where I never want to trade. I never want to trade on CPI. And I'm also trying to avoid FOMC. CPI is like next level. I can just show you guys what happened yesterday. Why I didn't trade, for example, yesterday. Look at this shit. Look. This was CPI. This right here. And boom, look at this. Yeah, some people could say, this was the whole day. And boom, CPI. I know some people could say like, oh yeah, but there's a lot of money. We could make a lot of money. Man, clearly you guys do not know. Like the people who say they can make a lot of money from CPI, trading before CPI. Bro, it's gambling. You cannot know shit. Yeah, CPI, the forecast could probably say less than forecast or better than forecast. But it doesn't matter because it can, most of the time what it does, sweeps out both sides, which take out sellers and buyers immediately. Like, boom. No one makes bread. Everyone loses. And plus, let's say if you lose the trade, you will lose, even if you have a stop loss, you will lose way, way more because it will like spread hella. Like it will go way past your stop loss. Like it doesn't care. The market doesn't care. It moves too fast that your stop loss doesn't even matter at that point because you will lose way, way more. Like if you trade before that. And the rest of the day is like kind of weird. It's like extraordinary volume or no volume. It's sort of like there is volume after the news or there's not volume after the news. So it's better to stay off of those kind of days. Anyways, that was kind of long intro, but let's start the trade because we haven't been trading this week that much. It's kind of rare, super rare week news. But now we can start looking for trades again. Let's get it, guys. On Monday, we took that one trade, which was a good W. But yeah. So today, we have news. We had PPIs. And we'll have Kremlin, but it's nearly not as volatile as CPIs or all the others, so we don't care. If we find a super good trade before that, we could potentially take it. Market haven't opened yet. But obviously, most likely, we'll wait for the news to arrive. But if we find like a super, super great trade before that, we can like sort of de-risk before that. But we'll see, because if you guys don't know, I like to trade when the market actually opens, like in the session open. But it depends. Obviously, there could be more. The news could give us more action. So let's see. Like it could take us towards the areas that we want to get hit. Anyways, let's do the daily bias real quick. I already marked out a few things that I will explain later what happened. But daily time frame is bullish. We're making all-time highs all the time. Okay, 4-hour time frame is bearish. Look at this shit. Look what happened, guys. I'm gonna show you what happened. 4-hour time frame is extremely bearish. We had this huge move down yesterday when we had the CPIs, right? Huge leg down. Okay, that was just because of the Thursday. Yesterday we had the CPI. This was around CPI this year, and later the volume dropped down after the CPI came. Okay, so that's what's up. All right. But we have this huge fair value gap that we haven't yet tapped into. But let me show you what happened just pre-market. What happened on pre-market? Or let me mark out a few things. Okay, we swept out 1-hour highs, 1-hour liquidity, pre-market. All right. So that give us reaction to the downside. As you can see, it's rejected from it. Candle rejection. It is clear daylight candle rejection. It is rejecting from it. So that means there's possibilities to look for shorts. Obviously, I would want to more of these get hit and this fair value gap get a little bit filled, but we could find some short-term shorts here, most definitely. So let's move on to the lower time frames. Yep, as you can see, the rejection. But also we did have this sweep as well, which caused us to a little bit go up, but this sweep to the downside happened before the sweep from the upside, you feel me? But currently we swept out this liquidity from here below. We're currently in this 50-minute order block, bullish order block right here. If this doesn't give us reaction, we can start looking for shorts when the market opens, because this is clear that the sweep from these highs gave us reaction. Okay, so that is one good sign. All right, but what is also a good sign, from the sweep we had a 5-minute break of structure to the upside, to the downside, as you can see from here. Yep, there we go. Yep, clear liquidity break of structure to the downside on the 5-minute. Okay, right here, it's clear right there. Hold on, is my screen? Yeah, I'm screen. Okay, so that's what's up. Okay, we broke structure to the downside. Okay, and in 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, okay, we'll have this fair value gap right here. And also right now we have this bearish order block, but remember we are in the 50-minute order block right now currently, and the 30-minute order block, bullish order block. But we had the sweep after that, so most likely we'll see some reaction to the downside. We'll see what's going to happen when the market opens, where we will see some volume. But remember, there's news coming, so we'll see what up. Okay, but right now it's looking kind of bearish for the short term. Okay, but obviously we're super bearish on the 4-hour time frame, as you see. But yeah, 4-hour time frame did though sweep out a lot of liquidity here, which could potentially give us potential to buy right here. But I'm talking about the short term, because right now the short term is looking bearish just from these sweeps. But remember, we are in this bullish order block. If this bullish order block gives us reaction to the upside, then that's a different case. Okay, because we did sweep a lot of liquidity just before that. Okay, remember that this has a lot of power. Took out, let me check, I can even check. Okay, didn't take, yeah, it took 4-hour liquidity. This liquidity, these lows equal lows. Okay, but it didn't take a daily time frame, but it is super powerful. This could potentially take us to the upside. That's why we'll have to wait for the market to open. We'll see, does this right now it's looking pretty cool, but this is the order block. This is a 30-minute break of structure to the upside after the liquidity sweep, right? Boom, liquidity got swept, break of structure to the upside on here, boom. But then we took out more liquidity, which could, like I told you, it could give us potential shorts. But remember, we have news coming today, like 30 minutes after the session opens. Okay, so that's not bad. But now I'm just waiting, bro. This is the 30-minute bullish order block which it tapped into, and it's giving some sort of reaction. But right now I'm just looking for it to hit this 5-minute bearish order block, and does it give us reaction to the downside when the market opens? We'll see. Okay, but right now we're waiting, boys. Like right here, since we had this huge leg down liquidity sweep, this was from the PP. If you guys wonder what is this move, why did this move all of a sudden, this was from the 8:30 a.m. Eastern time news, PPIs, right, which took out a lot of liquidity. 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, which is New York session open. After that, huge leg down, massive amounts of liquidity got swept. But the thing here is, I do not trade the S&P or ES or NAS or anything like that, NQ, any of these stock indexes. When I don't trade them pre-market, I trade them AM session, Eastern time, New York Stock Exchange open. But still, hypothetically, this could have been an entry. Break of structure wouldn't have taken this from here, because this was a clear big ass order block. Reshort ratio would have been awful. But this right here, potentially, but here the same thing, reshort ratio could have been kind of better. So we could have potentially entered from here, because you have to understand, this is super volatile. It is hard to catch like a good return ratio, and plus it's not session open yet. So obviously I wouldn't have entered, but hypothetically we could have. Okay, hypothetically. All right. Well, right now we are just waiting, bro. We just got a 1 minute break structure to the upside from the order block. All right. And honestly, I'm just waiting, bro, for the market to open in less than 2 minutes. Market will open, okay? But we had a 1 minute break structure to the upside after the 30 minutes order block got hit. Okay, so that is a good sign. That is a good sign. But low key, 5 minute break structure to the upside would also be lovely. I gotta lie. But now we hit this 5 minute bearish order block, so we'll see what's gonna happen with that. And the market's gonna open, so let's see. Okay, all right. Order block kind of getting disrespected, so that's a good sign to look for buys rather. But we're about to take this liquidity above here. Probably we didn't take it in every single. Let me check. Okay. Oh, this looks different. Shit. Yeah, we'll just have to wait. But market just opened, guys. Market opened. All right. Okay. We are seeing some sort of reaction to the downside. Hold on. Let me check. Let me just. I want to make sure that every one of these are aligned. All right. Okay. So guys, did you see that? What happened? Market open. We got some volume to the markets. 5 minutes just broke structure to the upside. Okay, in this. Okay, this is why I have to check every single broker, bro. Here we broke structure. Here we didn't. All right. Bro. Yep. Yeah, alright. Well, we got some sort of reaction though to the upside, if you see. Now we're just filling this 4 hour time frame fair value gap. And now we can start to remove these things around here. But you guys see, we're filling this huge fair value gap. So guys, it was correct. 30-minute order block got hit, reaction, but it happened before the market opened. This was a break structure to the upside, 1 minute. But still, now we just can wait. Okay? Tap in. Alright. Makes sense. The XY is going down short term. This is going up short term. But now it's just, guys, remember, we took out some of this huge imbalance right here. Alright, so that's a good sign. We'll see, does he want to give us reaction? Remember, there's a lot of room to get filled, so we could look for buys after that one. But remember, there's news coming. Remember, if we take a trade before the news, I will highly suggest you to de-risk on that one, okay? Obviously, the news today is not going to be that volatile as yesterday or the day before, but still, it is news. So that's why, if we find a setup after that, okay, before that, so let's see. Obviously, there's possibilities to look for a trade after that, most definitely. So let's see. But yeah, happy Fridays. But yeah, clear momentum to the upside from this OB. So that's a pretty decent sign. Yeah, we could start. We just made this 1 minute fair value gap right here, but that is nothing. That is literally nothing. So we just took it. But I literally want to see what's going to happen with this fair value gap. 4 hour time frame fair value gap. You see this got hit. Also, we took out some liquidity. For example, this right here, and also this was like a 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes time frame right here. This got swept. So that could potentially give us some reaction to the downside, but still there's possibilities to look for short buys. Why? Because this liquidity sweep that we had pre-market was so huge, bro. But let's see what's going to happen. Okay, let's give us reaction. That's what's up. That's what matters. We just go with the price. We don't make our own decisions, bro. All right, so price could potentially fix itself, go with the trend to the upside. So we'll see what up. And by the way, 4 hour time frame is gonna close in 25 minutes when the news will arrive. So let's see, 4 hour time frame candle in this stock index. Yes, sir. Happy Friday. In heaven there is no beer. That's why we drink it here. I don't know if y'all know that song, bro. I saw that on an Instagram reel, bro. I started laughing, bro. Remember, the news are gonna arrive soon, so. But still, guys, remember, there's possibility still to look for buys. I mean shorts. Shorts, I meant. Why? Because we had this liquidity sweep. All of this here got swept clearly, and some sort of reaction. Okay, rejection. We do not know exactly yet. We have to wait a little bit for some more rejection and reaction. But remember, it took out a lot of liquidity here. 4 hour time frame is bearish. We feel this 4 hour time frame fair value gap imbalance right here a little bit. So that's a good sign, and there's some sort of rejection clearly. What do I mean by rejection? I mean when the price, for example, takes out liquidity, takes out some fair value gap, it clearly goes to the opposite direction almost immediately after that. So, and the candle is kind of, the thin part of the candle is showing a lot. So we'll see. But yeah, man, we have this 1 minute low. Yeah, this is what I mean. We have to wait. So if it wants to continue up, we're gonna also continue up. But if it wants to give us more reaction to the downside from the liquidity, from the fair value gap getting filled, then we can look for shorts. Yeah. But yeah, the news around here, right here, news. 10 a.m. Eastern time. I know it says 17, but it's my time. But 10 a.m. Eastern time, there will be news. All right. So we're just, if we do not find a trade now, we can find later. Okay. Okay. So it's kind of going up. So this should make actually continue this lower time frame trend to the upside. We'll see. That's the patience. I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna leave this right here, this line, because I want to see what's going to happen with this 15-minute time frame. Does it break above or does it only want to sweep liquidity? You feel me? So that's what I'm checking right now. It's here. Boom. So that's what I'm waiting. Okay. So in 6 minutes, roughly, we'll see what's going to happen. If it breaks above it, we can potentially look for buys. If it closes way below it, like clear rejection, sweep, we start looking for buys. Shorts. Yeah. As you guys can see, this is a clear sweep. Okay, clear sweep. But yeah, this 5 minutes closed above it. But I'm waiting for the 15 minutes, and also the 30 minutes is also pretty powerful. So here's also, we filled out this 30 minutes fair value gap, 4 hour time frame fair value gap, bearish. So that's why we're waiting, guys. That's why we are waiting, boys. But guys, keep in mind, we're currently all the time filling out, taking this big fair value gap on the 4 hour time frame. But remember, why does it want to move up right now? Well, like I told you in the beginning, I'm just making sure you guys know this. Look at this sweep, pre-market sweep, causes to go up. But controversial, we have this huge imbalance that could potentially just be this liquidity could just potentially push us to the upside so we can retrace on the higher time frame. Okay, so that's why we have to just wait for the rejection. That is the thing that most of the traders cannot wait for. Alright, I'm probably gonna close above it, guys, like this on the 15. Probably. There's still one minute, almost 2 minutes, like 1.2 minutes. So what is waiting, bro? This is this big ass line. This is what I'm waiting for. Does it want to close above it or below it? This is why we have to wait, bro. Looks like it may even be just a sweep. Wow, okay. See, I know some impatient people probably enter buys right here because they think it's gonna continue up. Oh, wait and see an up reaction. This shit looks like it's gonna be a sweep, guys. There's 10 seconds left. There could be a lot of things happening. 5 seconds. Okay, bro, it was a sweep. Yeah, bro, it was a sweep, homie. It didn't close above it. Filled out some more fair value gap. This 1 hour and also the 4 hour. Alright, okay. That's what's up. That's what's up. Okay, now we're just waiting, bro. Obviously, there's the news coming. We gotta be careful with that, but this is the 5 minutes low that we just made recently. But bro, that's interesting, bro. Since it's filled out a lot of liquidity here, took out the liquidity, does it want to now continue the trend to the downside, or does it just want to if it wants to continue up right here, we can also continue. But remember, there's news coming up soon, so it's good to wait for that shit, because yeah, it could potentially go like this, but then the news comes and just flips. Feel me? So this is what I meant. Like, when there's a news, we have to be patient, because we could be in a trade, but when the news arrives, bro, it could just flip the direction. But obviously, if we would have found a really good trade before this, before the news, that we could have entered. Obviously, smaller risk, but still. But yeah, okay. This could continue up, guys. Let's see. All right. So if we break structure above this high on the 5, that means we're gonna leave. It's gonna be bullish on the 5 minute. Okay, clearly, and then we'll have this 5 minute bullish OB right here, but it's not there yet. But when it arrives, okay, then we can just look for some small retracement and entries. All right, like reaction. But I would most definitely want to prefer to wait for the news. 12 minutes, it's not bad. We can handle that. We actually did break structure on the 5, as you can see, and we are currently in the 5 minute bullish OB. But the controversial thing here is, hold on, let me show you. Yeah, we did break structure, right? Look, clearly on the 5 minute, right here. Hold on, let me just remove this shit, bro. All right, there we go. So, guys, can you see this? Clear break structure to the upside. Here's this OB, bullish OB, right? There's a lot of buying opportunities right now, guys. But the thing here is the news, bro. The news. It's 8 minutes till news. It's not worth it, bro. See, this is where we have to be patient, bro. I would have entered from here. Probably. Most definitely. In this case. Because it's clearly continued the trend to the upside. But bro, just because there's news coming, the price is kind of weird. It's when the news arrives, it could just flip the direction. So, and plus, when the price is sort of waiting for the news, it can just do whatever, bro. So it's not worth it. So let's wait after the news, okay? Even though if we break structure here, I'm not gonna enter. I'm gonna be totally honest. I'm not gonna enter. I would have probably entered from here. Why? Because well, we continued the trend. We didn't see enough reaction to the downside. But broke structure, bearish, bullish order block, and here would be the 1 minute broke structure to the upside. But guys, I'm not gonna enter because of the news. Just because of the news, this can just be a total mess. All right. But this would have been a solid entry if there wouldn't have been news coming. Okay, but I didn't enter. I have to be patient, bro. This is what I've learned during my years of trading, bro. So yeah, there's news coming. 6 minutes, 6.5 minutes. Actual grade in the forecast, good for the currency, bad for the S&P, bad for the S&P. That is a prediction, I know, but still, bro. Well, let me check again. Yup. Good for the currency, bad for the S&P, bad for the S&P, bad for the futures, stock indexes, everything, NAS, NQ. That's why I didn't enter from here. It's not worth it, bro. Sure, I would have entered here if there wouldn't be news, but I didn't. Alright, so let's just see what's going to happen. So news, right. I'm just marking it for you guys so you guys can know. The news will be here. Right here will be red for the news. Not the biggest, not the most volatile. But it's still a lot, bro. So yep. Alright. Well, let's wait for the news to arrive, okay? Then we can look for the trade. Like for real, for real. Tapped into this 1 minute bullish OB. But still, guys, I'm not gonna enter, bro. Before the news. I don't wanna, bro. Because sure, well, I don't care, bro, if this shit goes to the moon. But it's still, it's not optimal, you feel me? It's like, it's not A plus. If you win that trade that is not aligned with your trading plan, it's not like, it's not good, bro. If you look, man, I'm just telling like this. Let's say you win a trade. For example, this we would be in profits right now, okay? If I would have entered here or from this OB. But there's news coming. My trading plan would say I wouldn't enter right before news. So even though if I make money from that, it is a loss. You feel me? Because that builds habits. Because if you manage to do it one time, it's not gonna, you think it's gonna work every single time if you do not follow your trading plan. But that is absolutely not the case, bro. It's gonna build bad habits, and that's the worst thing you can do as a trader. So I know we would be in really good profits right now. Like I told you, I would have it right here. Where was it? Right here I would have entered. Right here, if there wouldn't be news. But I didn't. Because I follow my trading plan. My trading plan literally says I don't trade right before red folder news. So yeah, man. So let's wait for the news to arrive, okay? That means we're still gonna create a lot of these mini fair value gaps around here. I'm gonna be here soon when this closes. After the news, we can actually trade. Feel me? So yeah. So guys, news will arrive in 1 minute. By the way, we're feeling this huge imbalance, gotta stay intact. We have to notice that we're feeling this huge imbalance. So we have to be aware. Yeah guys, 50 seconds news will arrive. Let's see what kind of impact will it have today. Okay? 11 seconds, 10 seconds. Let's see, bro. 8 seconds. Let's see, guys. 5 seconds. 1 second. Let's see what kind of news impact. Okay, not that much. Okay, not that much at all. This is what I mean, bro. This is fine to trade. But you know what's funny? You know what's funny, bro? it said the actual gradient forecast, which is good for the currency, but it turned out to be less than forecast. This is what I mean. You cannot trust news always, the prediction. You feel me? It actually went up, but it told us to go down. That's why you cannot trade news. But yeah, guys, I would have entered from here if there would be news, but you feel me? We do not trade like that, bro. I do not trade right before news. But now, let's wait, bro. Let's wait. We have these imbalances right here. Let's see. What up? Let's see how we're gonna take out some liquidity. We just took out this 50-minute high. Does it want to give us reaction? Right here. Oh, we didn't completely. Okay, not completely. Okay, here we did. Hold on, did we here? Did we? Okay, not yet, not here in this broker. But on the other brokerages, we did actually, we did take it. Yeah. So, guys, now we're just waiting, bro. We took out 50% of the fair value gap. Still looking for buys. This is not clear evidence. Really soon we'll have this 5-minute imbalance right here. I'm gonna remove this and this. I'm just gonna already fill it in places here, because it's gonna be there soon. I know this could be like a pre fair value gap filling. Okay, so that is also really good. But obviously, on all of these other brokerages, we actually did sweep out some liquidity. So I have to be a little bit aware of that. So, I mean, dollar index is going down. We have this huge liquidity around it. Most likely we're going to continue now up with this, the S&P, ES, everything, but we'll see. We're completely filling this imbalance that is not even there yet, but it's pre-imbalance. I don't even know if that's a thing, but I've seen it work many times, because that's how the price moves, bro. Pre-imbalance. It's not an imbalance yet because it takes 3 candles to form close candles, but the price has to fill itself all the time, so it could do that before the imbalance actually occurs. That's just basic knowledge. I mean, I mean, I don't know if that many people know that, but quick tip. It was a liquidity sweep from here, clearly. But still, bro, if we continue up, we can continue up. This is what happened right before here. Took out liquidity. They didn't give us enough reaction to the short. Continued up. But let's see what's going to happen, okay? We actually broke stocks to the downside on the 1 minute, but fill out this pre-fair value gap right here. And that is giving actually some sort of reaction. But we'll see what's going to happen, okay? We'll see what up. Took out this 1 minute mini. Took out this 1 minute mini bearish fair value gap. Just because of, yeah, in this broker it didn't sweep liquidity clearly, but on all of these other brokerages it did. But bro, I'm still looking to buy at this level, because every fucking time frame is showing us to buy, except the 4-hour time frame, okay? But still, all these confluences are getting intact and everything, so still looking to buy, okay? Still looking to buy. Complete disrespect of this 1-hour time frame fair value gap. I would low-key want to see like a mini high created, because if I would enter from here to up, it would be pretty bad. But I'm gonna call it to the chat that potential buys. Okay. Alright, bro, we created this mini high. That's good. That's really nice. Really nice, man. Let's get it. Alright. Guys, enough games, okay? Let's see, bro. Now with this broker, we actually did get the sweep from the 1-hour time frame. What's the 1-hour time frame? Not 1-hour time frame, it was like a 30-minute. Not even 30 minutes. It was like a 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute. In this broker, we did get that sweep, but clearly it's kind of disrespecting that. So guys, I'm gonna look for buys if you break structure, guys. If you break structure right here, I'm gonna look for buys. Haven't entered yet. Be ready. Where could we target, bro? Shit, bro. Okay. Oh shit, this is gonna close pretty badly. Guys, if we break structure, I'm gonna take it. Alright, bro. I did risk a little bit because that was kind of bad feel. But I bought it. Pretty bad feel, bro. Let me see what's inside. Right here. And below this OP. Guys, I bought it. Yeah. Okay, let's get it. This is the trade. This is pretty okay. This is the first line. Is TP1. This is just to secure because how the price is looking, bro. It's kind of getting late in the session. But I gotta lie. This is a pretty bad feel. Pretty bad feel. But this take profit is not bad. Not bad at all for this because it's not gonna hurt the reward ratio that much because they are pretty close. Oh, let me see what other this would take. Oh shit, did I send the signals, bro? For the people who are not in the call because shit, I gotta be fast, bro. But there's the OB if you missed. Bought it. Alright, there we go. Alright, so yeah, I got filled around here. Yeah, I did risk on this a little bit, but this is a pretty okay. But since it looks so bullish right now, I know we're in the 4-hour time frame for value gap, but it's looking pretty bullish. So I ended up buying it here. But this is a pretty, I mean, it's not that bad of a field because it closed and it immediately went down. So I got filled here. But this is the trade that I took, okay? The trade that I entered. So that's what's up. Our TP1 hit, guys. Stops to break even. This is 50% contract, but I did risk on this a little on this one's quite a bit because we're getting kind of late in the session. But anyways, bro, this is a pretty small trade for me. But still, stops to break even, guys, right here. This is straight. Oh shit, man! I'm so used to just because most of the people are in the call nowadays. But there's a lot of people that cannot make it to the call, so I'm just sending it. TP1 hit. 50 contracts out. Alright. But I don't know, if you guys who are not in the call, if you do not like take profits, you can just have a break even right here. Like break even, stops to break even, so this is a full trade for you. But this is just how the price is looking. I gotta lie, this field was it was alright, man. But anyways, guys, I'm in profits. So this is the break even, this right here, and this is the OB. But yeah, why was the TP here? Because this had some highs, okay. Some highs. So, but this is break even. Yeah, but this was a kind of de-risked trade for me. But still. But we haven't been trading this week that much. But next week, bro, it's gonna be crazy because the news are not gonna be that crazy as this week, so we can actually finally trade. But still, we are. What was it? What was the name? Flawless this week. We haven't been losing at all this week. I know this is the second trade of the week, but still, Monday was a solid. And this is a winner trade. Yeah, Chris, why are you stressed about the latency? Because I'm not a big fan of when there's a 10 a.m. Eastern time news, because then, and especially Friday, because the volume is gonna drop after that. That's why I'm not the fan. I know there's gonna be a PM session when the volume will enter again, but this is just what I've seen over these years of trading. Feel me? But anyways, this is a solid right now, because most of the time, that's true, bro. 11 a.m. then the volume will extremely drop after that, and that is the point where I usually stop looking for trade if I haven't entered yet. But if I'm still in the trade after 11, that's cool. That's completely cool. But depends how big of the trade it is. If it's like a super huge sniper trade, you can have some partials, some break-even trades. For example, this could be a break-even, but this had a mini partial right here. Yeah. By the way, I'm gonna do like on Monday I did a mini recap to YouTube, and this time I'm gonna do like a sort of recap, but also like just showing people like what's up. So kind of raw video, you feel me? So because I want people to see the recap, so it's gonna allow them to learn too. Feel me? But we're still floating in the trade. This is a secure trade. This is the break even, but floating in profits right now. I mean, this is a win because this is a take profit, but feel me? What's the next draw in liquidity? This was a next mini draw in liquidity, but since we're in the huge 4 time frame imbalance, there's possibilities that the price will drop after this, so that's why. It's not the hugest trade, and I pretty okay feel, but I wish I would have the price would have broken structure right here, not here, but still, it's fine. It's fine. It's completely fine. But this is what I mean. Like there's clear drop in volume. Like this was the news, and there was some sort of volume, but then it slowly will start to drop. Like this is super normal for 10 a.m. Eastern time news. Like first there's some sort of volume and then kind of choppy, but we're in profits anyway, so like this is a stop right now, break even, and this is a profit, and these two take profits are super close to each other, so we didn't lose, because sometimes where there's a lot of take profits, it will kind of deteriorate the profits, but this time it's not bad because these are super close. You feel me? So it allows us to move with the big contract right here all the way up here. So that's all right. Anyways, guys, happy Friday. Only one trade on Monday, that's true. And this was the next one, which was W. But the reason why only one trade on Monday and only one trade, 2 trades before on this week so far, which is super rare, like super low, but still it's all winners. Why? Because there's no point to look for a trade when there's a lot of news. Obviously, yeah, sometimes there could be winners, but I want to increase the odds, you feel me? But most of the time the news doesn't bother us, but CPIs and all this BS, that will bother us, okay? So we want to increase the odds as traders. That's all we do. We are not the market movers. We are retail traders. So we want to increase the odds by all means, okay? And yeah, bro, that's what we do. We increase the odds to win, to survive and win and make money. That's what we do, bro. But like, I know most of the people are not that patient. They cannot wait, so they end up losing a lot, or they could make a big ass win when they trade on the news. But that will not last, bro. That's how it goes, bro. But let's wait, bro. We're still floating right here. Yeah, this was the Amsi's market like this. Well, where was it from? It was from this, yeah. It clearly gave us some sort of reaction from this mini high. That's why the take profit was there. And as soon as it hit it, it kind of started to consolidate. So that's good that we had the take profit right there. It's not, the take profits, they're not there for no reason. I have to understand that. But obviously, when there's the most clean ass movement, like super clean movement, then there's only like break-even spots, but not take profits. But when the price is like, we're in the 4-time fair value gap, there's a lot of shit going on. The news just arrived, there's lower volume. Then we can have these take profits. But one thing you guys have to understand, take profits will reduce the amount of profits you will make in a trade. Not that much, but slightly. And depends how well are they placed. But you feel me, like right now it's just consolidating. That's why I took profit right here. Yeah. For me, my broker hit TP the break even, but I made, this was a pretty fairly small trade for me today, for the Friday. But clearly the take profit was there for a reason, bro. Look at this shit, consolidating after that. So it ended up going. This is where I closed right here. Or wait, around here, because you know it takes some time to react for the TP. But yeah, this was the realized trade for today. Take profit, pretty 1-to-1. That's pretty ass. But you feel me? That's the take profit. But I hope you guys made bread. But let's see what's up with the price, because this is started to consolidate as usual. When there's 10 a.m. issue time news, that it will have that quick move, and then there's the drop in volume. But then, you know, usually at some point there will be some sort of volume enter. But we'll see, guys, what's going to happen. But pretty solid price action right now. I mean, just recently the price started to drop. But I hope you guys made bread. Man, my fucking leg, there's a fucking mosquitoes. There was a mosquito bite, bro. Fucking hell. But yeah, we'll see what's going on with the price. But that was a one realized win. So we're currently 2-0 for the week. Pretty damn lame trades taken. But Monday was super clean. But not that many trades taken this week so far. Just because, like I explained earlier, the freaking news was crazy with this week. But yeah, I hope you guys made bread. Let me know. But yeah, bro. Which is barely tapped into this 1 minute OB right here. It's actually giving some sort of reaction from that. That's fucking cool. But I don't know if y'all all in the trade still, but I went to break even right here. I don't know if y'all broker, if you got filled around here, you would be still in the trade, but I got filled out already. I made my money. But fairly small trade today, like a really small trade today. Really. That was the first TP. But guys, there's still possibilities to look for buys, because how the price is looking still, it's not looking bad. Hold on. Did I also forget? For the single chat. TP1 hits. Small dub. That was alright. Money is money, bro. But win is a win, but still, bro. But yeah, it is funny, bro. It is really funny. I don't know if y'all if you re-enter from here, but it's really funny how this order block got played out. Look how perfectly, bro, this ship hit the order block and then rejection, but still, bro. I didn't re-enter from that. But guys, we have this mini fair value gap right here. But still, I want to get first, guys. I want to get out from this consolidation, bro. I love how the price moved today, bro. Look at this shit. How the price moved after the session opened. Boom. Here I would have entered. Super good buys would have been here, around here, all the way up here. But there was this news coming right here on this right here. So I didn't enter, but I did end up finding another trade. This was the last take profit. This was the realized, but it started to consolidate once we took out these mini highs, which was the first TP. But I made bread, okay? I hope you guys made bread. Yeah, let's get it. But guys, let's wait. I want to get out from this consolidation, bro. I just want to get out from this choppy ass price action right now. Look at this shit. Alright, that was the last TP. I don't know if y'all are still in the trade, but that was the last TP. Let's get it, bro. Okay, yeah. Pretty decent. I mean, pretty small trade for the day. This was the final trade. As you can see, pretty good. But yeah, me too. I de-risked today. But still, bro. Profit is profit. Win is a win. We didn't have a single loss. All profits, all winners this week. I still don't remember when was the last time we had an unprofitable week, but this week and last week we didn't trade nearly as much as usual just because of the news. But next week, bro, next week we're back on the game. Still we're profitable, but we just know when not to trade and when to trade. Let's get it. But guys, did you make bread? Let's get it. Let me know. This is just why am I fucking stuttering? Fridays. Yeah, you de-risk too. That's good. But yeah, this just goes to show you that this strategy is fucking. Look at this. Look how perfect this order block hit. But I didn't want to, yeah, I told you guys in the signal chat you can re-enter from the OP. But I didn't because this shit started to consolidate a lot. But it tapped into the OP. Look how perfectly. That is just beautiful, and I'm happy to see that because this strategy fucking works, guys. I've been using this for a good time, guys. And it's just market intuition too. Order blocks, bullish order blocks. Amazing, bro. Bearish, whatever. But this was the final, and this was where I first TP. This was the final. But yeah, guys, next week is gonna be crazy because there's not gonna be that crazy news. But we'll do that weekly analysis on Sunday. So I'll see you at 8 a.m. Eastern time. Yeah. Made bread, let's get it. You can backtest, do whatever. Rewatch the strategy, everything, rewatch the course, everything. But also remember to chill because these markets can be overwhelming, bro. So let's get it, bro. Peace out. Another profitable week. And today was a flawless week. But yeah, let's get it, bro. Peace out. See you guys.